Very good afternoon to all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from Hotel Management Department, RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. Today we are discussing about what is room service. Room service is a part of hotel operation where they serve food conventionally to their respective guest room by just calling a room service department and place order of food and drinks to be sent to their room. Room service is a 24-hour service. Duties include checking of minibar upon checkout, collecting of breakfast menu every morning, sending the food and beverage and room amenities to the guest. Why room service? Can enjoy meal in the privacy of own room, can place order even at odd hours. Food is delivered to the room, therefore it save time. Some other advantages of room service. Celebrities wants their privacy away from public attentions and media. Eating out attract the attention which does not let to celebrities to enjoy a meal. Some wish to eat their meal in casual wear, even in the night clothes. Many cannot start their days unless they have a cup of tea or coffee as soon as they wake up. The morning tea and coffee service is to peak time room service in many hotels. Some guest prefers to have private meeting in their rooms and prefers to have a meal in privacy. Disadvantages of room service. Room service food and beverage is more expensive because of the convenience of eating in the room. Guest is in hurry or intolerance to delay. The challenge for the hotel is to serve hot food as the food is transported from the main kitchen. Food can get cold. Room service menu are limited so that the item can be cooked at all the times by cooks the differently shifts with common skill. Equipment: trolleys, plate warmer, ice machine, tea and coffee trays, ice bucket, champagne or wine tray, hot boxes. These all are equipment used in the room service department. Location of room service pantry. Room service pantry in storage rooms for keeping crockery, linen, food and beverage and other equipment that are required in a room service operation. Location of room service pantry: close to the kitchen, close to the service lift, close to the storage area. The process: room service order. We take an order via telephone, most commonly interactive TV systems or knob menu. Taking the room service order. The room service order taker answer the call to the room service. The telephone must be answered quickly, greet the guest and introduce the department. Write the order on order docket as you speak to the guest. Record the room number. Repeat the order to the guest. Tell the guest approximately time of delivery. Enter to the orders in POS. Distribute the order to the appropriate personnel both in room service department and other department if necessary. Food pre-preparation by kitchen of F&B production. Serving the food. Knock the door lightly. Announce yourself. Room service. Greet the guest warmly. Ask if you may enter in the room. Ask where to sit up. Order. Offers the pure beverage, bottled beverage, serves the food according to the guest need, offer additional assistance, inform guest about pickup, wish the guest an enjoyable meal. Thank you. the guest, cleaning, clearing the room. The room service order taker is responsible for controlling the floor service procedure and directing the staff to clear the room and floor. When a room or floor has been cleared after room service, the room service order taker must be informed. Floor must be cleared quickly and quick, but while doing so, staff must ensure that the equipment is securely placed so that it can be moved safely. Once cleared from the floor, con- unconsumed the food and beverage, the food service equipment, trays and trolley must be returned at the room service via a service lift. So thank you to all of